Got good news for you. All right, even though it's fall coming up, the grass is dormant, it's not growing, but good news because people still need you. All right. Hey y'all, Charles here, AllCoastLawncare. Hey, the grass is dormant, it's fall, grass isn't growing, but I'm still in business, y'all. All right. All my customers, they got one more mow. I pushed them all the way. I pushed them 1 week to the right. All right, we're skipping a week. So I got 2 more weeks of mowing. Okay, I didn't mow last week because I started pushing everybody to the right. But hey, people still need you. They're moving out. They need a move out cut. They're moving in. They need a fresh cut because it wasn't being taken care of. They need trees trimmed off the side of their house. All right, I just got a job like that the other day. I got another job. I'm gonna probably try to knock it out today if I have time. Cause this one right here, they called me the other day, and they need to have a small backyard. It is like tall, y'all. All right, it's like dogwood weeds growing, but it's already dormant. They're like real dry, so it's gonna be easy to cut. Something like that, y'all. They even said it hasn't been cut, hasn't been messed with for a year. So $50 out for a townhome. It's $50 for a townhome or a duplex, no matter what. That's my standard. Okay, even though if it's small. All right, so you can multiply that by 2 times a week. You know what I mean? You got what, like about 12 weeks. That's 24 weeks. 24 times 50. You know what I mean? But dude, they're not gonna pay that much money. All right, if I'm gonna take care of this. So I told them $300. It's It's reasonable. It's real quick. Okay, and maybe they'll call me back to maintain their yard next year, their backyard. But other than that, y'all, hey, just be reasonable with the customer. Okay, they'll refer you. But hey, let me go show you what we got. What we got,
Stihl. Stihl is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art. Style. Style is the answer to everything. Fresh way.
All right, y'all, took off, y'all. I just got done. As you can see, it didn't really take that long, you know what I mean? I stopped the video while I was string trimming because I was getting kind of boring, you know what I mean? I wanted y'all to see the down and dirty, from the high growth getting chopped down. All right, so that was a Kombi unit, the multi-tool unit from Stihl. That was a brush cutter attachment. Okay, it gets the job done, like little jobs like that. When you have like high growth, that was like all that dogwood weed. Okay, I took it down. Then I raked it all off. I finished it off with a string trimmer. Hey, there's many ways to skin the cat, y'all. If you want to just finish off with the whole brush cutter, you could do that. If you want to go in there with your walk behind lawnmower and just take it down like that, hey, that's another way though, but that's wear and tear to your spindles. But hey, y'all, bottom line is the work's out there. People don't want to do the dirty work, so they're gonna look for a lawn care guy. Okay, they chose me. They saw me on Google. They saw the good reviews. All right, so you do good work, you get a good review. All right. So they called me. I went out there. I gave them a quote. All right, be reasonable, y'all. Okay, that was like about a year of freaking growth. They didn't, you know what I mean? She even said that. Yeah, it's been like a year. All right. So you could like, how do you want to quote it? Oh, you'll cut. That'll be a $50 backyard service maintenance. $50 twice a month. They haven't did it for a year. That's what, 2 times 12. That's 24. 24 cuts times $50. Hey, they're gonna tell you no, y'all. All right, so be reasonable, okay? Other than that, I hope you liked it, the video. Hope it was satisfying to you. Please like and subscribe to this channel. It'll really mean a lot to me. All right. I'm gonna be making more videos. I'm gonna go. I don't know. I'm kind of worn out, so I don't know. I do have time to drop off this debris. I'll probably go do this cleanup that I got. It's a $600 cleanup. That was a $300 cleanup, y'all. And you saw how fast it took me. Okay. So this next one's $600. It's front and back, but it's more work. Okay. So hey, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.